GBP US dollar. So we changed this one. We had euro before, now we changed it to GBP US dollar. This, we also need to change our chart. So I'm going to change it here to GBP there. So I have the right chart when trading, right? I already pre-made this one, so you can see how it looks like. This was last week. Same thing. Here's this messy, and see when it has a huge separation. I mean, you can't unsee this when they just move away like this, and let it move away. If you miss the first wave, take the second wave, but make sure that it's not looking like this, looking like this. There's no question here what's going on, and you mostly see this with a clear leg, the first leg down like this. And the reason we do that is because many times when you do the A, B, C, D wave trading, everything looks good in hindsight. When you start trading this A, B, C all of a sudden crosses A and starts to wave up. Because you don't have a data-driven source that tells you what to do. So let us go over this. When we come here, we see there's separation, still small when we come here. But as this first leg moves down, we have our high here, so we start in the beginning. Take this one. In the beginning, we were up here. Make sure that you break the consolidation here first, otherwise you don't want to trade it, right? So we do that here, right? Great. Now let's see, where are we here? Yeah, we have a good separation. It's much higher value than this mess here in the beginning here. But still, we don't have a trade, right? It's moving down, and when we come down to here, down here, now we can see the separation is clean. See that? It's a big gap between them. That's a good sign, right? So this one goes a little lower. We take this one as well. Remember, this one is always fixed, the lowest price. This one is dynamic. You could be moving this one to here. And if you did this one to here, or actually this one there, you would have an entry here already, right? Which would have been working just fine. So this one you can move a little bit. This one is always the same. The lowest candle so far. And we just move our limit order. And again, we don't look at candlesticks here. We don't care about them. We care about 50%. That's all we care about. You enter, you can get stopped out, and you can win. That's the two outcomes. It's super boring. It should be super boring, because the good and the fun part is when you see trades closing in profit, because you have done the correct back office job. Watching this one, 0 to 100, 50%, enter. Okay. Now you see separate what this one do. That's why I want you to, when you're trading, you do like this. So when you're here, set up your order. Don't watch the analytical chart, because your analytical part is done, right? Now you should enter, wait for this one to hit, done. Okay? Remember, the 50% that we do is to give us a better risk-reward ratio. Not taking the actual candle here, because normally you can just sell here, but then you will have a lot of pain. Why should you do that when you know this is happening over and over again on these solid pairs? Okay, that's one done. Now we go back to our analytical board again. You can do it like this. What do we have here? 945. It's just after London. We know that's many times very good volume coming into the market. So we see separation. It's not a super good one yet, but we could start here if you are really trigger happy there. This one, and you would have an entry already there. But it's more risk. You see, still it's not taking out the last peaks here. But you can do it. I don't say it's forbidden, but you can. But you see, as the market move, it takes time, this one, right? We move up to here. Say, oh, probably not to trade this time. And this was almost, you probably didn't get triggered due to the spread, right? And then it happens. A to B, C, you're in. And see now that we have gone above this one and below this one. That's a good sign. Volume is expanding in our direction. Euro going up, DXY going down. Weaker dollar, stronger euro. Remember? Also, not euro, GBP. 3 first letters going up, getting stronger. Going down, the 3 right letters get stronger. So again, a trade up here. And as you become better, you can take partials here, you can take partials here, leave a small portion until you get a new direction. Or if you find a good supply demand, support resistance, whatever system you're using. Learn how to expand your last percentage of the market, even if you keep 10% of your order left. Double click the order in MetaTrader, change the lot size, what you want to close it, leave a small portion in trade, right? Or just close it all here. Just repeat this. Trade specific days, trade specific sessions, but follow your analytical mentor. This is like having a guide with you saying, okay, now you should trade, now you should not trade, now you should trade, now you should not trade, right? So we keep going. We have a good separation here, but you see that it actually started falling back, but it haven't crossed yet. Here, if we have a cross, do you have a high or low that is significant? No, this is just small candles messing around. It's early in the Friday morning, right? And here's crossing again. Same thing, same range, same consolidation. Then it finally starts moving up here. And when you see this, when you take out the high here or the low here, this consolidation here, this most recent one, see how it goes up here? And now we have a separation that took out the previous separation. This one. It's expanding again. Okay? So now we have a high, and we have a low, we have a low, we have a low, we have a low, and if we just follow like this, let us take this from the beginning. Okay? We started here. We follow the candles. Third candle is there. See, we do not get to 50 yet. And then this happens. A to B to C. See why I don't use candlesticks, just levels, use data. Separation is still going on. If you see this crossing over again, I wouldn't take it. If it's close, I would take it. This one. Because this is telling us that the basket of assets, one or more of them, is actually expanding away and making our trade has high probability of success. So again, it goes here, hit target. Okay, three trades. And if you like euro, if you like pound, if you like yen, if you like gold, if you like BTC, if you like any index, whatever it is, if you can find a way to use this to your advantage, do that. That's it. That was pound, GBP, against US dollar. In the next video, we're not going to take a new asset. We're going to take these two, combine them, and get even a stronger signal. See you in the next video.